Thank you so much, Dinamon. Nilalaber pala. Ilongga ka. Hindi po ako Ilongga. Hello, visitor. Hello, ID number. Hello, guys. Yan muna ako nga. Second choice mo lang eh. Wow, hindi kita second choice. Grabe naman. Just woke up like help Kuta guys, help to Kuta. Hello Ramon. Hello. Hello RJ. Welcome to my live guys. Give me gift guys for hello Yujang. Hello Yujang. Hello. Hello guys. Hello Jeffrey. Hello Jeffrey. Sipagan mo this April, suportahan kita. Sure. Sige. Suportahan mo ako. Why not? Oo, magla-live ako. Wala nang pasok eh. Malapit na mag-end yung pasok. Magsaka mo ako ngayon. Kainis ka. Unang pasok ng April, isa lang binigay mo. Hello, Cosma. Hello, Jimpel. Berdan. Hello. Hello, Edward. Hello, guys. Hello, Tequila. Hello, The Crow. Hello, ID number. Hello, Bornok. Hello, guys. Support me, guys, and help and support me, guys. Help to Kuta, guys, this April. April Fools. April. Ganda nyo po. Hello, Jeffrey. Thank you, Jeffrey. Hello, Daddy B. Hello. Guys, help nyo ako, guys. Help nyo ako, guys. Makakuta ngayong April. Kahit mga 10k lang, guys. Baka gusto nyo, pakutahin ako. Mga baby boy. Brian Cole. Hello, Brian Cole. Hello, everyone. Oh my God. Hello, Call Me Crazy. Welcome back. Call Me Crazy. Hello, Call Me Crazy. Hello, darling. Happy new month. Happy new month. Oh my God. Hello, Call Me Crazy. Thank you so much, darling. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much, darling. Call Me Crazy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, RJ. Hello, Zalmaray. Hello po. Hello, Call Me Crazy. Thank you so much, darling.